Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your bookings in the SriLankan Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage My Booking button. And for that you have to type in your last name, the one that's in your airport, and then your booking reference code. And then just click on the Manage Booking button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.